That up there right now like that. Give me about a 4-inch extent. So I'm going right to the chassis. That's what you want to do. Because you can see a better look, man. You got the camera, you can zoom in and everything. Let's go over here. We're going to remove this air cleaner so we can get to it also. Now, you might not have to, but we want to. Man, you are hard head. You know what? You know what? I'm just going to make you happy. I'm just going to make you happy. I'm just going to.
This right. But opposite way, then it's hard to get to it.
Shut up. I know what I'm doing. Put it in like that. How's that? That make you happy?
There you go.
All right. Then we're going to go a little counterclockwise. It's back. I'll show you a little bit. All right. The next thing we're going to do. All right, now can I take it out of here?
All right.
All right. So that's the bolt we're going for. Yeah, look, I got it.
Okay.
All right, guys, you see that? I got the other bolt out.
As long as you got it, you know.
You got a couple threads in there. Notice how I'm going to get out 13mm wrench.
That bit's in that top glue ready for me. Like a side.
Yeah, it is, man. I got it. Don't worry about it. You know, you figure they couldn't make this thing